When assembly drawings are created, you have the option of how you would like subassemblies to be treated. Here I have an assembly drawing. If I expand the drawing view in the Feature Manager tree, you can see the assembly contains one subassembly called Tool Holder. Notice in the bill of materials this subassembly is listed as a single item. This type of display would be ideal if this subassembly were a purchased component, such as a motor, that is controlled using a single part number. However, if the subassembly is made up of components that are controlled individually, I have to change the way they're listed in the BOM. This display is controlled within the properties of the BOM. I'll click in the upper left-hand corner to bring up the BOM Property Manager, and you can see a section labeled BOM Type. The current setting is top level only. If I change this to Parts Only, notice the listing in the table will change. I no longer see the subassembly listed at all. I simply see the components within that make up the subassembly. Another display option is to indent subassemblies. When I enable this setting, the subassembly is listed once again, but I can also see its components as indented items. These options should provide some flexibility so you can take advantage of subassembly functionality, but still have proper documentation at the assembly level. Also, notice I have several options when I select a component that's part of a subassembly in a drawing. I can open the component at the part level, or I can open the subassembly that it's a part of, or I can open the entire assembly.